Hello everybody, I'd like to say good morning, happy Saturday, but it's not morning. It is Saturday, but it's not morning, it's afternoon. So I must have needed it. As I said last week, seemed to catch up with me, tiredness. I didn't get up till gone 10 AM this morning, and then I had a quick coffee, and then we got on with the cleaning, so hence why I've just started vlogging. So could be a weekend vlog, this one, because half of the day's gone already. Not much to say. Chloe's not been feeling well, sore throat she says, feels a bit hot. She's been out this morning to play out, but then come back in. Oh. You have to, Liam.
Yeah, I do.
We'll end up breaking it.
Sounds satisfying,
yeah, so anyway, I thought it was going to rain this weekend, but might get some showers later. Who knows, we'll see, but it's not too bad. But yeah, we're done, so I'm going to shake the rug with Rach. Oh, look at the dog. I want to shake the rug, and he's got to sat on it. I have to put the rug up there, because if you put it on, you know, where it's like hanging near the floor, Milo will cock his leg up it. Won't do it inside, but it does it outside. So, gonna do this. These guinea pigs have been clean out, and they got a new treat yesterday to share. It's just like hay and that, I think, inside it. But they like that. They have been at it, haven't they, Lace? How are you today?
I'm gonna tackle it like this.
Good. How was Liam?
I don't know.
Oh, good. But at least you haven't been moody today. Normally at weekends you're moody. Yeah, but you've been all right today.
Looks like he's got brown eyes in
He has.
there. I thought he had black eyes.
What do you make of her?
Silly.
You silly starhead.
Starshine.
Hello, Starshine.
I forgot I had those.
Starshine, it's me, Starshine.
People wear them at school. You're not that bad.
Might be asking where Sophie is. Well, of course, cleaning up's gone on, so she's hiding in the bedroom. Shell! Here's the bow. She's watching Vampirina, aren't you? Like Vampirina? Yeah. You used to watch this before, didn't you? When you was little. Look at the pigs, guys. They're looking in this. Nah. I don't know what I did with my phone.
Apparently I've done Lacey's thing.
Wow.
What is that? Let me film that.
What's going on?
You've let me chocolate. It's got balls growing out of it. Look.
It means baby all the time.
It's all on your arm.
Apparently I've got chocolate all over me. I wondered what was going on.
Hanging on your arm. Go and have a bath.
Alright, that's it. No.
Go and have a bath.
It's been a very lazy day since the cleaning happened, but like I said, it's going to be a 2-day vlog, so a weekend vlog. So, oh yeah. Arse. Anyhow, it's time to move because we're going to get some tea on. I'm not really hungry myself, but could have been because I ate late earlier, some snacks, but fry up for tea. That's what's going on. I've had a bath. They've all made me, haven't they? Anyway, so while I went for a bath, Rach carried on with tea. It's nearly done. But I think we can officially say, I didn't say or show earlier because once ashore, but Sammy Snail has passed. So there he is. And we went to sort him out this morning like we did the other day. Put him on his cucumber with his fresh food. Didn't come out. So we had to look at him. We gave him a bit of a wash like we do. No movement. Touched him. And he seems to have gone a bit of a different colour. And he didn't seem to move. And then we thought we was moving, but it could have just been, you know, I don't know. But yeah, he's been like that all day now, basically. So we just said we'll leave him for now just in case, but no, I think it's fair to say he's gone. So rest in peace, Sammy Snail. There we have it. There is the fry up, which is just continuing on with the bacon because they all like there's a bit more done than me, but to me that's fine. Well, the tea was good, but took absolutely ages to get cleaned up. There was a lot of pots. Anyway, I can only have a quick glance because I think you get done for showing it. So, yeah, Saturday night, innit? Boxing. So that's, yeah, I like the women, but some of them are really good, Lace, and it's about time that they made it fair, you know. So I'm going to watch this. Agree or not agree, you know. Yeah, Sophie, haven't been on the vlog.
I didn't put me on it today.
Oh, I know why, because you was hiding upstairs earlier when we was all cleaning.
No,
I said to her, guys, I went upstairs once and she was prattling about with her makeup, you know. And I said, that's the longest I've ever known you to put makeup on. I said, you've been over 2 hours doing it.
And I noticed she stayed in bed more than
Yes, she knows what she was doing, mate. That's why she's laughing.
She stayed in bed until 10. She never normally. No, I didn't. 10. You did. It was 10 and I checked you were still in bed.
Why aren't you looking then? Why's your nose growing?
Yes, why your nose growing?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, it's 10 to 12 and what a brilliant last fight that was. Really enjoyed it. I would say let's go and say goodnight to the kiddos, but I think they'll all be asleep. Apart from Soph. Well, I think she was about to sleep on the sofa, but she's the only one that stayed up. We've got a bed to make though, and we've got to get Chloe out of it because she was charging her tablet in our bedroom and fell asleep quite a while back. Been burning up earlier. Yeah, and she didn't really want to go out and play today, so she's not feeling herself, but I'm sure Liam will be asleep as well. Not so sure about Lace. I was going to say, she don't sleep, she's there. I didn't think she would be. Is Liam asleep? No. Shocked. Anyway, we'll carry this one on tomorrow, guys, so take care. Peace out. See you in a blink of an eye. Told you, blink of an eyelid for you guys. Happy Sunday. Welcome. It is 11:15. I'm up late again today, but that is because I stayed up to watch some boxing. And then, of course, when I got to bed, I couldn't sleep. So, yeah, it is what it is. But it's Sunday, innit? Roast beef for lunch today. What requested by our Chloe Bow. She kept saying the other day on the way to school, so about when we was going shopping, can you get this meat? I couldn't really hear her as we was walking. And at first, I thought she meant ham, because she likes ham. Especially on a bagel. She likes you to warm it up. She calls it hot ham. And I thought that's what she meant. And then when we stopped and got talking properly, she was like, you know what we have horseradish on? I was like, you mean beef? She was like, yeah, for Sunday lunch. So yeah, we bought we got it from Aldi this week, didn't we? Because the one we had last time from Tesco wasn't all that great. Yeah, so that's what we've got for lunch. I've got to pop out, take Soph out to get something from this Oat for Note site again. Rach and her are obsessed with this Oat for Note thing on Facebook. No, Rach don't get it, but she's always on it with her. So yeah, and they're going to pop to Lidl as well, because they need some more milk, a couple of other bits. Horseradish for the beef, because Chloe loves horseradish too, so yeah, and that's that. Wet and horrible out there, but yeah, other than that, all okay. Right, I'm going to take these kids then. So Soph's going to pick this cream up that she's won off Out for Note, and then her and Liam are going to go into Lidl, and they're laughing again at the mum. Started off with one item, horseradish.
You're joking.
And now it's turned into all this. This is what you was moaning about last time. Good morning, Cheryl. Also, guys, right, I said about the snail, it's sad, isn't it? But we left it in a certain position last night on its cucumber just to make sure. And yeah, it's not even moved, not touched. Definitely gone. And if you look inside,
Hi guys.
you can see, yeah,
I want to wash my hands.
he's gone, bless him.
Excuse me.
So he's going to have to be buried. So I've picked a free Nivea up, that's all it was. So that's what she come out for, but that's stuff that she uses and it was free, so why not? They've now gone in Lidl, and as you can see, It's a horrid day with the weather today. Very wet. And yeah, the rain was really coming down on the way to pick that up, what Soph wanted.
Got a free toffee yum yum. All for me. Got a free one, basically.
So you've been to the bakery as well. So, as you can see, I don't know. It's the other bags, Liam. The other ones later Soph's got. So yeah, one item they went in for. You got a few more bits than one.
At my box, I've got my sweet stuff.
Here we have it then. Lovely roast beef dinner. Beef from Aldi. And I've tasted a bit. And even though I said last time the beef tasted good, once I got going through it, it wasn't that great. But so far, this one from Aldi seems alright. Liam will tell me he's already had some. Good. Yeah, the last one was from Tesco's and it didn't end up being that good, did it? This one's from Aldi. Right. We're going to dig in. Right, guys, that's the lunch done with. It was lovely. Yeah, the beef was better, actually. And, say, again, Aldi. Yeah, it was better than last week, though. Yeah, we're all going to sit down and watch Britain's Got Talent now. Oh, Liam's not.
I've been forced to do this.
No, after you've done that. Because we didn't watch it last night, because I watched some boxing. Watching Britain's Got Talent. 7 minutes to go. And this test alarm is going to go off. Not on mine, I've switched it all off. What do you guys think of it? If one of these devices go off, I'll show it on the vlog. But you'll probably get it yourself anyway. But I want to know what you make of it. Why now? Here it is. There we go. There's that test alarm.
What the hell? Right now, is that it?
10 seconds, yeah. Evening, folks. We've had some tea. We just had a nice sandwich, watching a bit of telly, and I'm doing the ironing. Don't like it, but it's got to be done. Anyway, it's rained most of the day. Of course, evening time comes. Sun comes out to play when you can't get out dry out there now. Well, here we are. Up the apples and pears. Time to go to Bedfordshire, isn't it? Whew, let's get out of breath coming up them stairs,
Swiss
Liam.
wedding.
Swiss wedding?
That's
You're not Swiss wedding, are you?
Thanks,
Hey, you're not all having the bathroom because I want it, so I need a shower.
They just keep hitting me.
Someone will end up roaring soon. Yeah, sorry, then. Night, Liam.
No.
Night, Lace. Night, Clebo. Love you. Don't know where Shirley's gone. She must still be downstairs. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend. Take care. And
Peace.
peace out, Milo.